A waterfront estate on Long Island can only be described as a palace by the sea. A stunning integration of an authentic Versailles and modern living situated on 4 acres of picturesque waterfront property in the prestigious village of Kings Point. Built in 2002, the property boasts a private deep-water dock, sandy beach, and marble pool. The French limestone mansion faces a rare marble fountain imported from the Rothschild estate in France, contains multiple parquet de Versailles floors, boiseries removed from centuries-old French chateaux, Verre Eglomis mirrors, and Pietra Dura floors. Inside, the immense scale and impressive decor are all so striking through the 26,000 square foot mega mansion. A grand entry foyer leads into the vast entertaining space. Rare imported antiques and custom-made pieces create a one-of-a-kind design. Custom doors lead to the expansive terrace where the infinity pool is a showstopper. The interiors are grandiose and opulent. Over-the-top touches are everywhere throughout the home. In the enormous formal dining room, there's hand-carved marble and hand-painted walls. The game room features hand-painted walls too, and Cordoba leather hangings. And that stands in contrast to the house's kitchen. It's cozy, but with top-of-the-line everything, including a pizza oven. The home has 7 bedrooms and 18 bathrooms. The master is 3 stories and has 4 bathrooms. His, a cognac marble, hers has a stunning tile inlay design called Pietra Dura. Sharp-eyed viewers may remember the home as a location from the Al Pacino film Carlito's Way. There's also a private deep-water dock, a 4,000 square foot guest house, and an enormous outdoor kitchen. The home was listed for $35 million and was sold for $16 million.